Hapapaj ki Eleksyon MDC jangga Janja Hills Autonomous District Council. Kipat ba kawar East ki Poi 85.58 kilong kendai Poi not nyo nak sispa. Hawar Central prapulai point arpra nak sispa. Hawar West prapau point sanot nak sispa. Ha amui klik tersi kipat ba ki Poi 85.58 kilong prapupra point nrupra nak sispa. Ha mukla umulong prapunreo point sanlai nak sispa. Ha modamai nongkro kendai point san nyo nak sispa. Hanar tiang wa ejer ke jengpoi ke Thep vot kakot prapun reo point not iwe nak sispa. Hamudop ladang kalong prap kendai point sausan nak sispa. Haba paipat jaga menso nong jengi ke jengpoi ke Thep vot kalong prapusau point arlai nak sispa. Hamen sengat kanduli prapun reo point not lai nak sispa. Hasil yang mentang prapupra point arnot nak sispa. Habarato mukro prapulai point kendai hendriau nak sispa. Sapai saat senyang ke jengpoi ke Thep vot kalong prapusan point arnreu nak sispa. Hamok yau kalong prapun reu point lainnya nak sispa. Haraliang prapau point nreu san nak sispa. Hasang pong prap kendai point sausan nak sispa. Hanang ba mi mentedu ke jengpoi ke Thep vot kalong prapulai point lai nak sispa. Hajowai north enyo pusan point arpra nak sispa. Hajowai south prapulai point not nreu nak sispa. Apa paipat sya kamutlong sok kompor ke jengpoi ke Thep vot kalong prapunyo point arsan nak sispa. Ha tuber wapung shnong ke jengpoi ke Thep vot kalong prapunyo point arsau nak sispa. Ha musnyang rengat ke jengpoi ke Thep vot kalong prap kendai point san iwe nak sispa. Ha rembai kli eriat prapupra point kendai pra nak sispa. Ha su tengah narwan ke jengpoi ke Thep vot kalong kendai point lain reu nak sispa. Ha su tengah nong kli kendai point saunot nak sispa. Ha sumer kendai puwei point saun reu nak sispa. Ha saipong nong kli nyopupra point not ar nak sispa. Ha narpo prapulai point kendai lai nak sispa. Bat ha batau lah kadong ke jengpoi ke Thep vot kalong prapunyo point lain nyo nak sispa. Kejengpoi Thep vot jekipat ba nak benta ke Eleksyon MDC Syaka Janja Hills Autonomous District Council barok kawai kalong prapusan point san pra nak sispa. Kesumer constituency kedai ke Poi bun nong Thep vot kapakot kendai puwei point sound nak sispa. Kadba ke Jowai North pat kedai ke Bedunatam. Ha kabaki nong Thep vot ke bala poi kakot syaka nyo pusan point arpra nak sispa.
So we are fully ready for counting also. We have 5 counting halls within the DC office premises. We will be barricading the office premises adequately so that we can have all the crowd control measures there. Force also, whatever is available in the district, will be fully deployed in strategic areas, not just in the counting hall, but in the villages also, wherever there are issues and problems. So with all these preparations, I think we'll be able to manage counting very peacefully. So we have already marked some vulnerable areas which are very sensitive, where there is a very close contest or where there have been incidents of previous violence. So our main focus will be to safeguard the counting hall first and foremost, and also those vulnerable villages where yesterday also issues happened, and we whatever information and inputs we receive from ground that there are some sensitive villages, so we'll deploy the forces there also.
Hello everyone. Infertility is a health problem. It is affecting not only the older couples but the younger couples as well. So if you are one of the couples fighting against infertility, recurrent miscarriages or multiple IVF failures, then get a second opinion with us on 1st March in Shillong Children's Hospital, Koksay. So come and share your problem with us. Explore the newer fertility options coming up in the field of infertility. We are here to help you out. Thank you.